In today's competitive world, constant quality improvements, higher productivity, and re-evaluation of assembly concepts are all vital. Atlas Copco offers a new service to help customers optimize their production. We provide teams of highly qualified process optimization engineers and torque specialists. It can be analysis of a single joint or full process optimization of an assembly line. Our process teams can also offer their services in consulting on new projects, development of new assembly strategies, or quality system support. The result is a finely tuned production process that provides documented improvements in increasing integrity, quality, and productivity. Production simply can't get any better than this.